Hi, my name is Joel and welcome to Art of Maintenance. Today we're going to be learning about how to replace your MacBook Pro battery. As you can see here, mine actually exploded inside of the case, which made using the trackpad impossible. So as you can see, the battery really is just completely broken. The seal has lifted. So I'm going to walk you through what parts you need and how to actually go about fixing this battery problem. So as you go through this unboxing, I used OtherWorld Computing to buy my replacement battery. It's pretty cheap and I'll link the description below for you to buy your own battery on there. Now why replace a battery rather than buying a whole new computer? Well, for one, this is much cheaper and much more environmentally friendly than buying a whole new computer. Also, maybe you don't want to get a new computer yet, nothing on the market's good, and you're waiting for the brand new thing to come out. Whatever the case is, this is a really good option and it's really simple. But obviously, this doesn't mean that your computer is completely fixed from any other problems it might have. This is just replacing the battery. Now, to even get to this step, you'd have to take off the back cover. And the way to do that is there's a bunch of screws on the back with just a small Phillips head screwdriver. That comes with your battery purchase, which is amazing. Once you take off the back cover, and I would recommend just keeping the back cover with those small screws because they can get lost. The battery itself is held in with a couple different screws, which are held by the other type of screwdriver that is still purchased with the battery. Now you can see I'm just checking to make sure that the battery is exactly the same as what I'm taking out versus what I'm putting in. Besides those tri-lobe screws keeping the battery in, there is one small connector that can be lifted off using one of your screwdrivers. So you just pop that off, and then the entire battery can just come right out of your computer. Next, replacing the battery is pretty simple. You just do the exact opposite of what you did to get it out. The first thing you'll do is when you pop it back in, you connect that connector. Next, you'll insert all of the screws into the holes where they came from. The battery that you bought off of OtherWorld Computing should be exactly the same. The last step after replacing the battery is replacing the back cover. When we started, we kept all of the screws together with their respective holes. This is because some of them are longer or shorter than others, and it's important to keep them in the same spot. All of these screws are using the Phillips head screwdriver which came with your purchase, so you'll tighten all of those down one by one. Once that's complete, the final step will be calibrating your battery. Every battery comes with a little bit of charge, but you'll have to tell your computer what's appropriate. Now obviously the battery can't be thrown in the trash. It has special metals in it that can't be mixed in with the normal refuse. So with your new battery, there's instructions on how to recycle it properly by bringing it to a special location. This is really important and one of the biggest portions of keeping this job environmentally friendly. Now calibrating your battery is pretty easy. You'll just want to follow the instructions directed on the box itself from OtherWorld Computing from your purchase. Thank you very much for watching another video of Art of Maintenance.